FRIGIDAIRE EFIC235-AMZ Countertop Ice Maker leaking water from front drawer.
When did you last replace your Frigidaire ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
I've had it since March 1st.
How long has this been going on with your Frigidaire ice maker? What have you tried so far?
The water leaking just started last week.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
It's making a whining noise too.
Thank you for contacting JustAnswer.com. My name is I will be helping you with your appliance today. I am looking over the notes and will respond shortly. If you leave a model number, it will allow me to look up your machine.
EFIC235-AMZ.
Is there solid ice in the bottom of the container?
It makes ice, it's just leaking and making that whining noise. It has started leaking more this past week.
I am sorry, I don't think it will be an easy fix. The whining noise may be the fan or the gears in the ice maker assembly itself. The leaking could be related, but it could also be a cracked water line.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem, have a great day. Thank you for contacting JustAnswer.com. I hope I've provided the information you were seeking. If you need more help, please let me know so I can continue to assist you. Simply reply back if you require additional information, and I will be happy to help with any follow-up questions.
Is this something that can be repaired?
Possibly, without tearing it apart, I don't know. I don't even know if there are any small appliance repair shops around anymore.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.